Recently, we have opened our new Bloomberg Terminal Lab at the University of Southampton Delhi. It is a significant step for our economics, finance, and business students across all programs. Traditionally, students have studied markets and economies through textbooks and academic journals. That's an important foundational work, but there is something qualitatively different about working with live, real-time data on professional platforms. And that is where the depth of understanding really crystallizes. Our students now have direct access to the data that shapes economies and markets, inflation metrics, employment figures, policy announcement, corporate fundamentals, everything. They can track how real economies function. They can interpret market signals and conduct serious empirical research using professional-grade tools. They will also work towards the Bloomberg Market Concepts certification, a recognized credential in the financial sector. So, what does this look like in practice? An economics students can track central banks' policy announcements and examine how bond yields react across emerging markets in real time. Or a student can pool cross-country inflation data and exchange rates to test purchasing power parity in applied macro research. A finance student can build peer comparisons of multinational firms or combine earnings data with currency movements to analyze how exchange rate fluctuations shape firm performance. Now, these are not hypothetical exercises. They involve working directly with real-time market data, macroeconomic releases, and firm-level information using the same tools and workflows that professionals rely on every day. That's the difference. When our graduates enter the workplace, whether in central banks, asset management, policy research, or corporate strategy, they arrive already fluent in the tools and systems that they use. They will not be learning on the job. They will be proficient from day one. And that is building real professional capability. That is a genuine competitive advantage for the students at University of Southampton Delhi.